after a good deal of tapping then, we've got the second gauntlet roughed out, and I've left this bit till last. You can see what tends to happen when you're doing some fluting, creasing and all this good stuff is it messes with your articulation a bit and lifts that up. But don't forget, we know that those 2 points there are good because they were before. It's the same bit of metal, we haven't really expanded it massively. So what you need to do, make sure you can see, get that resting, so I'm getting that plate resting on that crease. You're close enough. Just give it a tap. And just make your way along. Go gentle, you don't want those ends just bent over. Trying to coax the whole thing across. Flip it round. Same again. There you go, you can start to hear it now, it's making its way back down. Gently make your way across. Tap the movement back. Sharpen up your crease while you're there. It also gives it the tiniest bit of a pull down on that angle, which means you get more of a curve on that angle. They were clever chaps back then when they used to do this. Ooh. Make sure you don't lose those bits. And that, I'll get me a spare one. So we're by no means saying these are absolutely finished yet. I'm still not satisfied that's down far enough. Don't like that gap. You see what I'm talking about. But all of this lot gets sharpened up now in the grinding and polishing. Nasty dent there, we'll get that out. In the grinding and the polishing that's to come. Still got to add thumbs and do all of that, but you can see to actually crease these and still keep that movement, it's not a difficult thing to do. The easy one's that one. They make themselves doing that. The tougher one is to get it to go articulate that way and get a nice layoff of the hand. Nice run down here. But you can see it's not impossible. I'm certainly not an expert on these things. Done a few pairs. There are folk out there who've probably done 100 pairs. And I'm sure I'll learn more on the way. But that's how I do it at the moment, to this stage. So next bit is I'm going to get the thumbs made. If I have time, I'll do a video on that this time. If not, I'll do it at a later date. So I've got to get these done ready for day after tomorrow. So I've got a lot of work to do. But we'll get the thumbs done, then they get stuck together, polished. Job's a good one.